Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, simply pull down the notification panel and go to, I believe, second page, at least that's where it is for me, where you will see the DND, which is Do Not Disturb mode. And before actually tapping on it, hold this, it will take you to the settings where you can customize how it functions. So we have the regular, silent, and DND. So let's tap on it, and once you do, it automatically does enable it, as you can see right now here. But also once you enable it, it gives you the options that you can change stuff in here. So number one, we have incoming calls, or allow incoming calls from anyone, contacts, favorite, and no one. Select whichever one you want. I will mention that, as you can see right now, it's set to none. So in theory, no one should be able to call me. But if you check this on, notify about repeated callers. So if someone calls twice within a 15-minute period, you'll be notified that someone is trying to reach you. And this is a good option to have enabled in terms of emergency. Otherwise, you would be unaware that someone is trying to reach you. And this option completely bypasses the allow incoming calls. So as you can see, it's set to none. But even though with this on, you will still be notified about it. Then restrict floating notification, just the pop-ups, you can restrict them if you want to. And then we have schedule turn on time. This will allow you to set up a schedule, which will in turn basically allow you to set it up once and forget about this mode ever existing. So if I go to add one, name, you can keep it as it is, it doesn't really matter the name. 10 days of the week, so you have every day, weeknight, weekend, and custom. So if we go to custom, we can actually select each individual day. Now, as an example, I'm going to create a work schedule, so Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. So disable Saturday, Sunday. So start time, let's go to 9, there we go, and 2, which is end time 5. There we go. And then silent mode. So you have the silent or DND. DND is the one that we have set up, so that's what I'm going to stick with. And from there, simply tap on the check mark, and that will make it so that the Do Not Disturb mode enables automatically whenever it is time for it to be enabled, which actually right now it will be because it's 1. I believe that's 1 p.m. at least. If it's not 1 a.m., not really sure if the time is set correctly. But if it's set to right now, if it would be 1 p.m. then it will be enabled. If it's 1 a.m. then it shouldn't be. And apart from it enabling automatically, you can always tap on it to turn it on and off yourself. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.